Welcome. In this video, I will discuss solving truth tables on JustInfer.com. What is asked on truth table problems and how the truth tables are displayed can vary and are chosen when the problem is created, either by your instructor if you're doing course problems, or by you if you're solving local problems. I won't be going over these settings today, but they will be discussed in a future video. To solve a truth table problem, you need to fill out T or F for each open input box in the truth table. I've tried to make this process user-friendly by 1, making it so you don't need to capitalize the letters, and 2, so that once you type T or F into an input box, the next input box in that column is selected, so that you may continue typing without needing to select the next box yourself. Once you've filled out the truth table and answered any questions about the logical properties of the well-formed formulas, you may press Enter or click the Check/Submit button. You'll be told if you have some answers incorrect, and if so, how many are incorrect. Otherwise, you'll receive a celebration message for getting everything right. If you got any answers incorrect, you'll have a chance to look over the problem and make the corrections, allowing for you to learn by doing, which is the primary intention of this website. If you need to take a break while solving a truth table, you may press the Alt key and the S key, or click Save to save your work to your local machine. Saves aren't accessible across devices. And then you may continue where you left off at a later time. If you're doing a course problem and press Enter or click Check/Submit, and you got everything correct, you'll receive a check mark next to the problem, indicating that your instructor has a record of your problem being completed. That's all for this video, but if you have more questions, please feel free to watch the other tutorial videos.